Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today's topic for discussion is tools for success. Message: love makes life beautiful, flower makes garden beautiful, message makes mobile beautiful, smile makes face beautiful. Keep smiling. Coming to the topic. You want a seminar in Telugu or English or Tinglish? Regarding Tinglish, I have already explained in other lectures. Next point, regarding ASK, attitude, skill, knowledge, I have already given in depth. So ASK is the success formula. I already told you in earlier lectures. Body, brain, already explained in other lectures. Train, track, already explained in other lectures. Hard skills, your subject knowledge. Soft skills. After hard skills, you need to acquire soft skills for getting job. Message: a true friend story. There lived two friends in Ongole. One loved a girl, but the girl put a condition. If I have to love you, kill your friend and bring his heart to me. Then he kills his friend and plucked his heart and walked down. On the way, he fell down by a stone. Heart in his hand slipped down. In that moment, the heart said, "Jagartara, be careful, go slowly." That is true friendship. Okay? Coming to the topic, train, track, relation I have already explained in earlier lectures. Hard skills I already explained. Soft skills already explained. 4 pillars of communication. 4 pillars of communication are LSRW. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Already explained in other lectures. Communication skills. Already explained in other lectures. Listening is listening with concentration, not just hearing. Listen with ears, eyes and mind. If you listen with eyes closed, you will never forget. When one sensory organ is absent or closed, others act fast. If the listening skill is perfect, other 3 skills are automatic. Child listens first and then speaking, reading, writing. That is why listening is very important. A church mass is going on. I already explained this story. What happens if a water drop falls on a frying pan? Evaporates. This also I explained in other lectures. It falls on a shell, it gives aesthetic look. Already explained in earlier lectures. Use this principle to develop your personality. Be a shell, not a frying pan. Just to open up, speak up. This anecdote, who is your role model? Bill Gates, father of role model, Toll Gates, already explained in other lectures. Next, 2 lovers on Vizag beach. That also explained in earlier lectures. Conversation goes on. The male lover says, "Whenever you ask about your beauty, I close my eyes and tell about your beauty." This all over in other lectures. Power of communication skills. If you have communication skills, your power is different. Dale Carnegie's Institute's questionnaire. That also explained in other lectures. Chitragupta communication skills book. That also I explained in earlier lectures. Anecdote Yimthim also I explained in earlier lectures. Anecdote college admitting only people, not castes. That also I explained in earlier lectures. 2 barbers in a village. That also I explained in earlier lectures. You Hyderabadis. This also I explained in earlier lectures. Loose jackets also explained in earlier lectures. 4 dimensions of communication. 5 C's of communication. verbal and non-verbal communication, voice culture. All these I explained in different lectures earlier. Telephone skills, body language, no word, no world, already explained in earlier lectures. Quiz program we will conduct later to all the candidates who heard our lectures. Jam sessions, just a minute sessions will be held in colleges. Francis Bacon says, reading makes a full man, writing makes an exact man, speaking makes a ready man. Okay? So, what all given in this lecture, they were all explained in earlier lectures. That is why you refer earlier lectures. Okay? Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.